1. Video call issues.
Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Give me a second. Sure. Don't worry about it. My room is such a mess. How embarrassing. It's fine. Happens to all of us. Can you see the bed? A little. But it's okay. There's clothes everywhere. Normal. We're at home. Can I change the background? Yes. Go to settings. Where is it? Bottom left. This button? Exactly. Now I'll look for backgrounds. Perfect. How about this one? Great. Looks professional. What a relief. Can't see the room anymore. Awesome. Thanks so much for the help. No problem. Let's start the meeting. Okay. I'm ready. Perfect. Sharing my screen now. I can see you fine. Excellent. Hope you have good connection. You too. See you later. See you later. Bye. Bye.
2. Crying baby plane.
Excuse me. Hi. My baby won't stop crying. Relax. Don't worry. The noise is bothering him. No. Not at all. The other passengers are annoyed. Doesn't matter. It's normal. Do you have kids? Yes. 2 kids. Then you understand? Of course. Babies cry. What can I do? Do you have a pacifier? Yes. But he doesn't want it. Bottle. He already ate. Let's see. Can I try something? Please. Watch. I'll make funny faces. How nice of you. Hi, little guy. How are you? He's calming down. Great. He stopped crying. Perfect. He likes the attention. Thank you so much. You're welcome. You're very kind. No problem. We're all parents. Nice to meet you. Likewise. Have a good flight. You too. See you later. See you later.
3. Hotel booking error.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Welcome to Hotel Seoul. Thank you. I have a reservation. Perfect. Your name? Carmen Lopez. Let's see. One moment. Sure. How many nights? 3 nights. I see 2 nights here. No. It's 3 nights. Do you have confirmation? Yes. Here it is. Let me see. 5th to 8th of June. Exactly. 3 nights. You're right. Our mistake. Is there a room available? Yes. Don't worry. What a relief. It's fixed now. 3 nights confirmed. Great. How much per night? 60 euros. Okay. Breakfast included? Yes. 8 to 10. Perfect. Here's your key. Room 203. Thanks. Where's the elevator? End of the hall. All right. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Thanks. See you later. See you later.
4. Rainy picnic.
Do you feel that? What? I think it's going to rain. No. The sky was clear. Look at the clouds. You're right. They're really dark. What a shame. I prepared so many things. I know. The sandwiches are delicious. Do you feel drops? Yeah. It started raining. What do we do? Is there any shelter? Over there. Under that tree. That's not enough. What about the car? It's far. We're gonna get soaked. Grab the blanket. Okay. You get the basket. Got it. Run. It's pouring. This way. Where? That bench has a roof. Great. Made it? Just in time. We're soaked. A little. But we saved the food. True. We can eat here. Sure. Indoor picnic. What an adventure. At least we're together. Yeah. That's what matters. Should we eat? Okay. Let's enjoy the food. Sounds good.
5. Kitten name.
He's so cute. Yeah. He's adorable. He needs a name. Right. Any ideas? How about Mimi? That's too common. You're right. Something more original? What's his personality like? He's very playful. Loves to run around. Mischievous. Very. He jumps everywhere. How about Rascal? Rascal. I like it. Sounds fun. What if he doesn't like it? Cats get used to it. Other options? Let's see. What about his color? He's gray. With white spots. Spots? On his paws. And on his belly. Socks? How cute. He looks like he's wearing socks. Exactly. Do you like that name? I love it. Socks. Should we try it? Okay. Come here, Socks. He looked. He's coming to us. He likes his name. Perfect. He has a name now. Welcome, Socks. Hope you have a happy life. Hope you have a good life.
6. Painting on the balcony.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing? I'm painting a landscape. How nice. Thanks. I love painting here. Sure. The view is really good. Yeah. I can see the mountains. How much time do you need? 2 more hours. Perfect. Do you like art? Yes. But I don't know how to paint. It's not hard. I can teach you. Really? Sure. Take this brush. Thanks. Now paint the sky. Like this. Very good. Use gentle strokes. Okay. What color should I use? Light blue. Mix it with white. Nice. The color is perfect. Yeah. Now paint the clouds. Where? Here. With little dabs. I see. It's very relaxing. I'm glad. That's why I paint every day. How lucky. Want to continue tomorrow? Of course. Thank you so much for teaching me. You're welcome. Have a good day. You too. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
7. Running 5 kilometers.
Good morning. Good morning. Are you here to run? Yes. I want to run 5 kilometers. Nice. Is this your first time? Yes. I'm nervous. Don't worry. I always run here. Can you help me? Sure. First, let's warm up. Okay. Move your legs like this. Got it. How long? 5 minutes. Now let's stretch. Perfect. Ready? Yes. Let's go. Start slow. Don't run too fast. Okay. Is this good? Perfect. Breathe through your nose. Thanks. That's good advice. How do you feel? Good. A bit tired. That's normal. We've done 3 kilometers. Really? Yeah. Just 2 more to go. Great. I can finish this. Sure. Let's go together. We made it. Well done. You did it. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a good day. You too. See you later. See you later.
8. Friends reuniting.
David. Anna. I can't believe it. How many years? 5 years. Since college? Yeah. So good to see you. Likewise. How are you? Great. And you? Awesome. Do you live here now? Yes. I moved here last year. That's great. I work here. What do you do? I'm an architect. And you? I'm a doctor. At San Juan Hospital. That's amazing. You always wanted to be a doctor. Yeah. I finally made it. I'm so happy for you. Are you married? Yes. I have a daughter. How wonderful. How old is she? 3 years old. Her name is Sophia. Beautiful name. And your wife? Her name is Carmen. She's a teacher. That's great. I'd love to meet them. Sure. Do you have time for coffee? Yes. I'd love to. Perfect. I know a really good place. Let's go. I have so much to tell you. Me too. What a special day.
9. Plumbing problem.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm the plumber. Great. Please come in. Thanks. The problem is here. In the bathroom. Let me see. When did it start? This morning. Around 8. I see. The pipe is broken. Is it bad? Not too bad. I can fix it. What a relief. How long will you need? 1 hour. 2 hours max. Perfect. Do you need anything? Yes. Turn off the main water. Where is it? In the kitchen. Under the sink. Okay. I'll go right now. Thanks. Now I'll start working. How much will it cost? 70 euros. The part costs 30. That's fine. Can I stay here? Sure. No problem. I work from home. Will it be very noisy? A little. But not too much? Perfect. I'm going to make coffee. Would you like one? Yes. Very kind of you. You're welcome. I'll be right back. Thanks. Have a good day.
10. Private tutoring.
Hi. Hi. I'm your tutor. Nice to meet you. I'm Carlos. I'm Maria. What do you need help with? Math. I'm having lots of trouble. Don't worry. We'll figure it out. Thanks. I don't understand equations. Okay. Let's start from the beginning. Perfect. Do you have your book? Yes. It's here. Good. Open to page 50. This page? Yes. Look at the first problem. I see it. But I don't get it. Relax. I'll explain step by step. Okay. First, read the problem. A train travels 100 kilometers. Good. What is the problem asking for? The time. How long does it take? Exactly. Now write the formula. Time equals distance divided by speed. Perfect. You've got it. Really? Yes. Now calculate the answer. 1 hour. Excellent. See, it's not that hard. You're right. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Have a good afternoon. You too. See you next class. See you next class.